Norway's population of 5.4 million people is enjoying a very high living standard. The country's gross national income in 2018 was $80,610 per capita, which is more than double the European average. Now let's take a look at the Norwegian workforce. Norway has a labor force of 2.8 million people as of 2019. The unemployment rate was last recorded at 4%. Almost 4/5 of the workforce is employed in the service sector, 19% in industry and 2% in agriculture. The country's top trading partners are the United Kingdom, Germany, the Netherlands and Sweden. Norway's trade surplus with the United Kingdom alone is over $16 billion. France, Denmark, the United States and China play an important role as well. In total, Norway recorded a large trade surplus of $16.9 billion in 2019. Norway's economy continues to expand strongly. In 2019, its real GDP growth rate was around 1.9% compared to the previous year, and is projected to grow by 2.4% in 2020. Norway also had a budget surplus equal to 7.5% of GDP in 2019. Its government debt is equal to about 36% of GDP. Last but not least, Norway has a government pension fund, commonly known as the All Fund, basically a huge savings account belonging to the Norwegian people. On average, the fund holds 1.4% of all the world's listed companies, which means $200,000 for every person in Norway. Now you may ask, where did all the money come from? Well, the short answer is oil. When oil was discovered in 1969, Norway was aware that it wouldn't last forever, so it set up state-owned oil companies and invested part of the oil revenues in the fund to also enable future generations to benefit from the oil revenues. The government can make limited withdrawals from the fund and use it to cover its pension expenditures, or spend it on education and health, for instance.